Welcome back to the future of MBBS at Lincoln American University. I am Vani Agarwal, your host today, and we'll be discussing a very crucial topic, that is mental well-being for the medical students. And to discuss that, we have a very special guest with us, Dr. Rohit Mishra, Dean of Lincoln American University. Welcome, sir.
Thank you so much, Ms. Vani. Thank you so much for inviting me here.
Thank you, sir. So, if we'll start, can you just share the basic challenges which students face who are doing their medical and MBBS journey?
Yeah. So as I mentioned earlier, MBBS journey or the medical students, it's a long journey. So they generally face the academic stress. They burn out very easily, and they have a performance anxiety. So most of the time, these students face all these challenges. They also feel the imposter syndrome.
Okay.
This syndrome says that they feel that they are worthless,
Okay.
even putting a lot of efforts. So these are the common challenges these students or the medical students face generally.
And does it increase by being away from home?
Yes, definitely, because they don't have a emotional support. They are not getting a proper home cooked food, and they are just starting their MBBS. So their age is like 18 to 20 years. So at that time, they are always being catered at their home with their families and all. So yes, emotional support is a very important thing that they should have. But because these students go abroad, they don't
Yes.
get anyone. They have to make new friends.
Yes.
So yes, it is a difficult journey. But yeah, every student should go through with this.
Okay, so in previous podcast, we learned that LAU provides a very colorful culture where they get a very homely environment and the friendship they'll be building for the future. So,
Yeah, you are right. So LAU actually provides a very homely culture there. We provides lots of activities where they feel like they are home. We celebrate all the Indian festivals. We celebrate Holi, we celebrate Eid, we celebrate Diwali,
yeah.
and we also try to engage students in the campus as well in the hostels. So yes, we provide them a homely atmosphere.
So, as we know that medical practitioners are taught to be care for their patients and their people around them. But what about their own mental health, and what challenges do they face in terms of mental well-being?
Uh, medical education is like a marathon. You need a endurance, you need a resilience, you need a strategic pacing. As a marathon runner, they train mentally and physically. Same goes with the medical students. They should also balance their academic stress and the mental health. So it is very important to stay mentally healthy, because it is not only because their mental health are going to be challenged. It's just if they are going to be happy, they can also serve the community better.
Yes,
they
it is.
they can also support their peers, right? So that is why mental health is very important. So as I told you, medical journey is like a marathon. It requires endurance, resilience, and strategic pacing.
Yes.
When the marathon runner is trained, it's trained mentally and physically. Same goes with the medical students. They should not only just able to face the academic stress. They should also able to face their mental health.
Okay, so are there any tricks or advice you will be guiding our future medical doctors so that they can take care of their mental well-being?
Yes, of course. These students should know how to maintain their mental well-being. So how to maintain their mental health? They should have a proper and good sleep. They should do a regular exercise. They should do the mindfulness. They should also do the yoga. So all these things can help for the mental health development.
Okay, that's a great insight. And what role does LOU play to provide that safe environment for the students who are studying there?
Yeah, so LAU prioritize mental well-being very well. We have a dedicated academic advisor. We have the counselor. We have the PHC, which is a psychological health center,
Okay.
where a student take appointment and go to the psychological service, and they can
Yes.
discuss their professional and personal
Yeah, like
problems.
therapy is being provided.
Therapies can be given. We also provide the dedicated mentors to certain students. So we have divided our students in five students in one group. So these people can go to their dedicated advisor,
Yes.
where they can discuss any problem that they face in the Lincoln American University. At a very same time, we also have a dedicated lounges where they can
Okay.
relax, sit back during the lecture breaks. There is a in the lounge we have coffee and tea. Everything
Yeah,
is
that's
provided. It
nice.
is free
Yeah.
of cost, so they can relax there. At a very same time, we also started a new initiative in Lincoln American University. Is like once in a month they have
Yeah.
to have a dedicated sports day,
Okay.
so less stress on that.
Yes.
And there are other things that we are starting. We are providing them to providing a platform for the cultural activities and all. So all these things we provide in Lincoln American University.
Thank you so much for the information. And any last word for our viewers?
For the viewers and for the students, I want to say that success is not final, failure is not fatal, and it's the courage to continue that counts.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for being with us here. And it was great pleasure to learn all the things from you.
Thank you so much for inviting me here.
So thank you everyone for watching.